But more than so best subscribe to my Ghana Media TV channel so that be any news update biano was on sabit me aka. Na abusianfo una watwe no awie no na ye de ponda de ma Kotokuman enyina sanse ubodram Kotoku ahenkuro Akyem Oda 28th December 2024 abasobode dwumade bi ekoso a eno eyesuapon efene se International Kingdom University eno ewo USA eno mbebo adehye binom amwo Kotokuman mu abaso na okirem se we abasobode a ekire dwumade a Ghana de shimamani bi eye ede boaboa won ho se de be ye oman no so kekire betimi enso akọ eye nanim ene yetitiru ne anintiru do na omusaka abasobode yi ebi.
Established in 2018 in the United States of America, Florida, International Kingdom University has grown to become a global institution with 26 satellite campuses around the world. Including Ghana, our university is accredited by the Independent Accredited Board, ensuring the highest standard of academic excellence. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to our country representative in Ghana, Professor Ambassador Hayford, Shinebua and Apostle Dr. Edward Ofori-Ntim. Your tireless efforts have made this 28th edition of the Global Edition Humanitarian and Ministerial Excellence Award a resounding success. To honor Dr. John Biney, the CEO of J.A. Biney Companies, recognizing for his exceptional business leadership. Honorary Dr. Alexander Akwa, the Member of Parliament for Akyem constituency. Honor for his outstanding services, Reverend Michael Kojo Edriakon, Superintendent Minister of the Methodist Church of Ghana, Oda. Open Pong Tebu, a chief warning for contributions to traditional leaders. Dr. Yao Owusu, CEO of Onokwa Building and Construction Company, recognizing for his innovative entrepreneurship. Bernard Ba Boche, the CEO of Asomdre Mba Phones, honored for exceptional business leadership. Vida Ishan, police officer, Dopsu, recognized for her outstanding service to law enforcement. Rose Abam Abim, please forgive me because of the alphabet. Abim, what? Mambo, police, also a police officer, honored for her dedication to Ghana Police Service. Then Dr. Seth Evans Kofi Abwaje, the CEO of Soul Melt Company, yes, recognizing him for his business leadership. Then Openpong Jemfi Safo Tre, the second Kontihene of Akyem Oda, recognizing for his contribution to traditional leadership. The Biney Group of Companies. Mr. Biney is a distinguished West Africa entrepreneur, industrialist, and a philanthropist. He has been recognized for his leadership and strategic vision. As a chairman and the president of J.A. Biney Group of Companies, he has built a diverse business empire, making a significant impact in Ghana, in the private sector across West Africa. Mr. J.A. Biney the operation in multiple industries, including manufacturing, construction, tourism, and many more. Mr. J.A. Biney is also a road building contractor. He has a plastic company. He produces gallons, bottles, disinfectants, etc. Mr. Biney has driven the group expansion through innovative policies, formulated sound official management, and exceptional leadership. His company serves mix in Ghana, Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Niger, Togo, and many more. You can count them. His professional roles and recognitions. Currently, Akotia Technical Institute, he is the board chairman of the school. He is also the vice chairman of Association of Ghana Industrial Chemical Sector. He has also earned a lot of honor award. That is why we are confirming him to be a doctor today. The CEO of the year 2022, the CEO Summit, the best in manufacturing disinfectants in Ghana. Mr. J.A. Biney's Leadership Excellence Award was in also 2023. His Lifetime Achievement Award in Made in Ghana Production Pillars of Modern Ghana Awards in 2015. The Eastern Star Award was also given to J.A. Biney. We are here today to celebrate this year. I believe you all have the trust in him and you attest to the fact that he has done well.
Present his thanks to him. Wonderful. So be there, be there. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. International Kingdom University, USA, Florida is presented to Onokwafo Building and Construction, having demonstrated exceptional commitment to sustainable building practice, such as energy efficiency, waste reduction, and environmental responsibility. Given on this day, 28 December 2024 at USA, Florida Market, Best Business Leader of the Year 2024 in the Eastern region. Let's give them a round of applause. Wonderful. Best Business Leader of the Year, presented by the Global Dean of Student Affairs. Global Dean of Student Affairs. On the call for building and construction. Our 100 workers. Our 5 branches in Ghana. Building materials. Our branches, baby. God bless you. We appreciate you. Keep the good work you are doing. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. On the call for Bakope. Without spending and wasting my time, we present another organization. Congratulations. Next one. Cash need to do. Your boss wants you to come and take them. And general manager, please come forward. Come forward. Cash Rido and the general manager come for that one. International Kingdom University presents J.A. Biney and Company Limited. This prestigious recognition, acknowledging your commitment and outstanding effort in demonstrating your dedication to corporate social responsibility and innovation. Given on this day at USA, Florida, Best Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative in the year 2024. Wonderful. Wonderful. We appreciate you. God bless you. God bless you. Congratulations. 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 Oh, mommy is receiving. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Ye.A. Boche, that is Bernard Ye.A. Boche, also honored in executive in leadership for your excellence in leadership over the years, faithfulness and great achievement. We honor you. We honor you. Congratulations, Mr. Bernard. Congratulations. 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 Please, if the flag is there. Congratulations. Congratulations. For your God bless you. We appreciate you, Mommy Rose, today for executive. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Police Officer Rose, Mama Rose, God bless you for the wonderful work you are doing. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Officer one, Mama one. God bless you. Reverend, this is calling you. Wonderful. Executive in leadership. God bless you. God bless you. Everybody say congratulations. Congratulations. You are doing so well. We appreciate you. I want to make we are entering the doctrine. We are entering the doctrine. We are entering the doctrine. So next on the list is Mr. Seth Evans Kofi Abuaje. Somebody tell me what will I be? Tell me what will I be? One day time but your official any let's excuse them so that your media men will let me be here. Come. Let's say. Tell me what will I be? Where will I be? Yes, security services enforce the law for us, please. Somebody tell me where will I be? Enforce the law for us. Tell me where will I be? Yes. Am I in it to yeah, before. Please, it's not right. Please. So if you are not an accredited photographer, please, this program is an international program. So let's keep it as standard as it is. Please. Thank you, police officer, for the enforcement. Please. So Dr. Seth Evans Kofi Abwaje, honorary degree, doctorate in executive leadership for your excellence in leadership over the years, faithfulness, great achievements. We honor you. International Kingdom honors you. Congratulations. Congratulations. The Lord will bless you. We are celebrating an icon. We are celebrating an icon. We are celebrating an icon. You are so dedicated. You have a strong entrepreneurship calling. Today, we honor you with all the rights and privileges, with all the doctorates in USA, Miami, Florida. Congratulations, doctor. Please take his certificate. Let's present the certificate and another down to him. Wonderful.
He's the light of the world, resurrection and life. It's salvation for the sinful.
Come on. Thank you, doctor.
Don't be on my
Congratulations. We appreciate your efforts, your impact to the society. May God richly bless you. International University, USA, honors you an honorary doctorate degree. God bless you.
Someone said me come any man of to say, me can't be playing in action. When I'm in the soto, and I was away, a movie, she said, the wires are congratulations. When the wires are many, come on, and the passion made me
Is the new doctor of report at the end of the second. Wow. Wow. Congratulations. Congratulations. Your great achievement, your contribution to the society. And now we honor you. We honor you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh, God bless you for your time, your patience, waiting. We are still bringing the program to a close in a humble manner. The next on the list is one of our great kings in the land of Akyem. And in fact, he is doing so much well. We want to honor him, his doctorate degree.
The American youth are so saying, also betting me. Yes, so if I say, oh, baby, I'm not a one of your teams, Meritas. The American youth, I was as I say, almost a trend now, what you are saying. One can also almost bet me a day. I yet a braboy determination. The peer for a Bushy and I been him. But Meritas also said, but some Bob Brana that's maybe certain standard. Now, let me say, maybe a rather than me a bit to know. A university, you have a boy abaso, the Abba doctorate type. And he may say you to me in a crying. Says, I will be a peer was as you soon as you, oh, Jessica, Mamma, and me, so I just can do. Name and Jessica, a year, retire swallow, there were retire someone. Skabia, when you are Brabomono, and it was a wood discount. Near the year, Mrs. Skabia, when you are Brabomono, maybe 10%, no, 70%. It is Sevua, Kotokuman, and Sobi, and I'm starting this kind of investment. It be a Juma, a true Juma Mono, and then there rather be able to sample pension. It may say you to know in crime, say, Skabia, Mubanana, Assassin, and Mamma Vescano. Munyes Carabas and Prochain and Yamabia and Fatabina. So I was in Macasia, I stay out. I was Brabobia and Fatam. Now, Moyosha will not go to the pine. No much money. No one is ready to say the bear when he's ready to I shall ready the enemy. And until me retire, so we will go for the Brabo. We will go for the Brabo. Now, me determine in retire to the I come a Brabo, I felt to say as soon as I have now, my father should pour me bra at the 2 million man. I had never read me a bed until the back. Yes, Chairman.
Now, Mother organizers of the program, everyone, any can, as we said, Dimple institution, and we knew of that. And so I did the hour and a time. Now, in woman and a bar said, already invitation, let me say, almost invitation was I know. Now, almost selecting a number for everyone. Now, the one way and say, a unique who be a Canadian invitation institutional representative from US, and the Ghana, and the Krontihene in the 2 invitation. And in fact, and non quampo America, the buy and put and command award on the crankers invitation in Quampo, Akyemansa. In Stankin, I may say, and then on my saying, I'm higher at the free at the Amaya. Yinano, your fire inspiration if you believe. The share never promised that even someone. You move my dear son, old wire. The share never pa, yea, Biney, and no swim, my dear son, old wire. In Stankin, I mean, on the crop only now, I will, my dear son, Papa, Mr. Ivan Samoa, and hot not on your man. Now, your man not doing nano, but who can you have a Yanidia, or Hano, or Fred, if you pass in my default, you are better than a youth. I not ordered to check. Mr. J. Banya, or also Sao, Hano, Fred, see the pass magic phone, see what magic way. Oh, I know I said, yes, oh, free, oh, dear, instant, you don't say about phones. Sometimes if you cross man, I call like Mr. Day, Biney, a friend of so the refugee in a cash, no, as man, no, about it. Now, and yet, I did no tackle you, so name of the other. It is any power we will so a show, my miss is singing grind. There's a miss, need to do my teacher on the Bible said, Papa Nation, Incident Kenya, me award with the slam penny phone now, and then Panama boom with you now. And then the Busia for say, Amon Fancham and then one day Amon Fancham. Sans the award with the Kitiba, the sister, it's a booking because and then birthday. And Javia and the Cordia Award back is the entrepreneur award. No, and then Anoffense maybe the IKU Promotional Award, the award Mesa Samba, and Sana Mesa Bedisa Award is a Doctorate Award. It's Kenya, and then the Petisa Award at the market. Work up for Mrs. Margaret, here as it was.
And it was the Yamapa on Campon and Kakari. That will be with you, no way. That one will come once and far, especially as we said, one castle bomb. A human am there to make it for so many. Now, many about the body. A woman, I think you try. I'm a man who says, I'm talking to you. He said, was it the Adamaka? And they said, it shouldn't be always about you. Think about that. Because we have to work on that. And I had them all. Now, this is the sad way in the number of Bravo Maple. The person you don't know, mammy, it's really never been it's really so many more. I'm a one person to come by Emma. Make my baby. Nama, for the sake of my information, so need to give us never like me. I work in my father. Send me a diabua, a prayer, dear, a man, a little more. However, I will say, if you know, also Bob Rana would see me before a better says anything. Oh, yeah, then I'm special be and cancer will make money more so. And son of a soul will be a problem. Which must have here today because yes, I said today, the answer is the baby. Yes, the message I'm a demo before is a couple of now one can be a bargain pastor will be a ultimately degree and what the area or the baby here and wow, not to be
me chef down of to master but I possible to show moon cry. So we be a rose over it. Now, I'm going to show. We are deeper, and we know that the first about the body, and you nipa, and you go baby, I'm free, and in your ready, make me win your minka. Massimina said Jesus and Danas. If you're grassy, you are Akyemansa. I'm a bank, I can't start here, you probably you see a product buying 20 disinfectants. And you will see another factory too in that area. I take away pass. Probably you see food. Nanina and say, oh, Pia, will you be the stress you know, now, Pio, Kakram, especially catch up with the Mahamani. They both pay us like the one in Yansa. Don't be Ghana. Nagana, a baby, Ghana, humans who baby. Now, me separate the Mama say, wanting any human, private sector, human, wanting any MP human, a human, none of what with the one you want to buy. So, boy, you know, yeah, I can't work Ghana be pleased. He may said, the Mama say, power pay. What they say, a human manufacturing sector, factory. Open just say the factory, a good. I am to say, it is buying our bank. All a rumor, the creative job for the people. To me, no, maybe the job creation, if free education, a year. But say, depending yet, my dear Mumbai, ɛde ahokyere bebree bɛba ɔman no so ɛdi me sɛ President Mahama awurade ma ne nyansa a wobɛbu ɔman yi na ɔman no bɛyɛ yie Ghana bɛfa ne ntoma kɔsra na afei ɔmmɔ no so bɛkreti job ɔyɛ private sector ɔbɛfoa private sector ne yɛnkreti job for the people.
International Kingdom University ɛwɔ Florida, USA. Ayɛ ɔmo hwehwɛ the whole Africa na sɛ the whole world. Ɔmo hwɛ nipakuo bi a ɔmo impact lives. Ɔmo abɔ ɔmo ho mmɔden ayɛ biribi a agye din wɔ Ghana ha anaasɛ kuro bi a ɔman bi a ɔmbɛkɔ so. Ɛna afei nso nkurɔfoɔ etimi bu adwuma ama afoforɔ enye bi yɛ a ɔmo nsa ka ɔmo ano. Nkurɔfoɔ etimi yɛ adɔyɛ sɛ philanthropists ɛne nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo bɔ ɔmo ho mmɔden ɛma afoforɔ. Na ɔmo obi nominate wɔm na sɛ yɛ nominate wɔm saa na kyɛ sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ nomination board no ɔmo kɔhwehwɛ nipa no abrabɔ anaasɛ deɛ ɔyɛ no sɛ ɛyɛ krongyee anaasɛ sɛnea nipa ne kafa no ho ɛyɛ no koraa na nti yɛbobɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi anikam wɔ Eastern region ha nti ɛbaa saa no na ɛsɛ sɛ nomination board chairman a me ɛyɛ me yɛkɔ so sɛ yɛbɛhwehwɛ mu a na kyerɛ sɛ adasedie ne nkrataa a nkurɔfoɔ ka fa a ɛtwerɛ fa a saa nipakuo ho no ɛyɛ ampa nti yɛkeka nneɛma toto mu no na ɛkyerɛ sɛ nnɛ 28 December 2024 na yɛbɛtumi abɔbɔ ɔmo abɔdin na abɔdin no so yɛyɛ saa ɛde hyɛ nkurɔfoɔ nkuran sɛ obiara ɔwɔ bibi yɛ wɔ Ghana ha obiara ɔwɔ ahoɔden a ɔde yɛ bibi ma afoforɔ wayɛ na wayɛ ne yie sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ asuadeɛ ama afoforɔ ɛne mmabunu.
Wei yɛ dɛ di kan a mo yɛ dwumadi bi atisi ya.
Yaya wei yɛ 25th edition na yaya.
Eti wei a yɛabɔ ɔmo aba so no ɛdeɛ ne yɛbɛka.
Ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɔ no a yɛhwɛ ho anaasɛ yɛnya a nkrataa fa ɔmo sɛ ɔmo bɔ dwuma anaa ɔmo di dwuma pa bi ɛboa Ghana mmabunu ne individuals ne ɔmo communities a ɔmo fi mu no ɔmo nkɔ so ara ɛnyɛ no mo mpo ɛfiri sɛ wei na ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ deɛ ana ɔmo yɛ no a nkurɔfoɔ ka no ampara ɔmo yɛ nti yɛbɔ ɔmo aba sɛ ɔmo yɛ na ɔmo yɛ no yie paa ɛnsen kaneɛ.